Hello everyone, my name is George and today we're going to learn how to get prime numbers from 1 to 100 or whatever number you want in Java. And so for doing this we're going to use a really basic method. We're going to use for loops over here. So the first loop here will determine the number that we want to evaluate to see if it is prime or not. So first you can create this I variable over here. You can start it in 2 because we already know that 1 isn't really a prime number, so we're going to start it um, in the 2 value over here, and we're going to be executing this for loop while I is less or equals than the last number you want to test, for example 100. So this will give us numbers from really 2 to 100, and in every iteration you are going to increase the value of I by 1. So that is the first loop. Now for testing if this number is prime, we need to know if this number can be divided by only itself without having any residue, and by any means it can be divided by any other number besides 1 and itself, then it won't be a prime number. So for doing that we need another for loop. This, by the way, is not really good for performance, but it will work for now. We create another variable called j, for example, equals 2, because every number can be divided by 1 without having any residue. So we initiate j at 2, and we're going to iterate this for loop while j is less or equal than I, because I is like our limit over here. And every iteration we increase by 1. And right now what we need to do is that we are going to create some if sentences over here. For example, we can say if j equals I, then this will be a prime number, and you'll see why in a minute. Just hold on over here. You can print I because I is the number we are testing. Okay, just like that. And why do we have this? Because we are going to be checking if there is any residue by dividing I with a module operator over here by j. And what's gonna happen that is that if I module j is equals 0, then we're going to break this loop, and only if we reach itself, like j equals I, we're going to print this number. And if not, for every other value that we got over there, for example, if we're checking, I don't know, 7 and you check 6, this will not be true, so we won't break the loop. But for example, if you have 4 and you check number 4 and j equals 2, 4 is perfectly divided by 2, so this will be equal 0, and you will break the loop and you will never get to this conditional over here. So basically when you have this, you can just run this program and you get all the prime numbers from basically 1 to 100, well 2 except for being exact, but number 1, as we know, is not really a prime number, so that's what we're not testing it. But well, you have here your prime numbers. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's really simple, really. If you like the video, please just click on like, or you can comment or subscribe, or I don't know, recommend another method. I repeat, this is not really a good method for performance, but this is something really basic. If you need to do, for example, your homework or something like that, this will be perfect. So that's how to get the prime numbers. See you later. Bye bye.